Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Lisa and you're watching yogihollowfarm, and today we are going to do another cooking section. And so what we're going to make today is nectarine and rosemary simple syrup. So you got to come along for this one. So what we get is we get a produce box from Black Hills Bulk. So we order online, and then in 2 weeks we pick it up locally. They have a delivery drop-off point, so you go pick it up and get it off the truck. So we get a lot of items. We get some salmon, and we get some other items with it. Not meat anymore, except for the fish, because obviously we don't grow that here. So the cool thing is the produce box is, I think it's $25, and it's a pretty large box. That's pretty deep, and you never know what you're going to get in it, and it's what's available and also what's in season usually. So what's really cool about it is you never know what you're going to get, like I said, and so you end up getting a bunch of various items, and it's like Christmas because you're opening up this box. Now the other part of it is I have been trying to use it all before it goes bad. With the two of us, we don't eat as much of it right away, and sometimes it's a large quantity. So what I've been doing is dehydrating, trying to make stuff because I don't want to waste it, because it's really good stuff. So that's what we're going to do today, is use the nectarines that came in it and some rosemary that I have on hand. So come check it out. guys, so I've had this cooking for quite some time just to get it soft. That was because I cut the chunks really big just to make it easy. But because I don't have fresh rosemary and I only had dried rosemary, I am going to blend this down. Wish me luck, first time using an immersion blender. This is gonna get scary. I better put it on low. I got it now. Don't make fun of me. Never said I was a chef. Now I want it a little chunky if possible. Attach that. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's like a pureed sauce. A little bit of chunks in it, which I'm fine with. I'm gonna let that cool off and then I'm gonna put it in the jar. I got a YouTube live running in the background. Sorry for that. And I'm not going to can it because we're going to eat it. I think what we're going to do is put it on some pancakes. Ooh, a little overfull. That was close. But yeah, not bad. 4 nectarines. I could can this. I don't feel I need to. I am going to get a lid. Let it cool off some more. I don't like to have to scrub my jars, so usually what I do is this. I just put a little piece of tape, kind of make it so it'll come off. And I'm just going to put neck syrup and the date. And on this, I don't mind writing on it, but I can use a piece of tape. Just makes it easier when you reuse them because then you don't have to play that game of, you know, what's in my container because I can't tell which I wrote on the last. Oops. And there you have it. homegrown pork, bacon, and pancakes with nectarine rosemary simple syrup puree. Yummy. So instead of it being a simple syrup, it turned out to be more a slushy consistency because I used the blender. I didn't strain it or anything, which is fine because when you heat it up, it'll be more liquid-like. And we plan to eat it on pancakes and some ice cream. And honestly, I've tasted it, and I feel like it would be really good on our pork. So I think we're going to do that on our homegrown pork. So we have a lot of uses for it. So the little bit that I made will actually go a long way. So that's pretty cool. But it's really delicious. So as most of you know, we did a video a while back, which was the shrimp Alfredo tortellini, which was delicious, by the way. And we posed a question to you guys, and we wanted you all to give us some ideas. We loved all the ideas you guys came up with. Great job, everybody. The Hunger Games was a top contender. There was a lot of great things in the comments, so thank you for that. We appreciate it. What we decided to do, we took 2 comments, one from Homestead and the other from the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla, and we kind of combined them and tweaked it. And so this is what we came up with. This series is now going to be called Yummies with Yogi, because you gotta eat. So that's what we're gonna call it from now on. Yummies with Yogi, because you gotta eat. And that's how I feel about a lot of this stuff. And I also don't like to waste, so I try to do that. So thank you to everybody, Jeff and Tammy and Homestead. We'll be sending out your stickers, so thank you very much. And thanks to everybody who threw some ideas in the ring. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed today's videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you know when Yogi's Yummies come on again. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.